I just found perhaps the laziest way to make money right now. Recently, I have been selling a social media management package where AI does 99% of the work. It comes up with the ideas, it writes the captions, it designs the posts, it even sends them to the client to review and approve. I barely have to do anything, and now it's going to pay me every single month. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works click by click so you can copy it. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we did over $350,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick so you can see this is real. There it is, over $350,000 in revenue. I show you this almost every video because if someone on YouTube won't show you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So let me break down exactly what I sell, how AI does the work, and the two best ways I get clients. Let's start with chapter number 1, my core offers. Here's what I do. I manage social media pages for over 300 plus small businesses. That's it, because every small business knows they should be posting, but most of them just don't. Their Instagram is dead. Their Facebook hasn't been touched in months. They're too busy running the business. That's the gap I fill. And now AI does most of the heavy lifting. I have two core offers, so let me break them both down for you. The first one is my $500 monthly AI social media management service. This is the easy, lazy one. AI creates everything. All the copy, all the images, all the designs. We give the client gets 30 posts a month across Facebook and Instagram. If they don't like something, then we give them unlimited revisions. Plus, we schedule and publish everything. But we don't just stop at posts. We set up automations that turn comments into DMs. We build them a lead magnet, and they get monthly reports, all handled through email and support tickets. What's not included at this price are custom designs, videos, ad management, and one-on-one meetings. It's a clean, simple deliverable for $500 a month. The second offer is my premium service. This one runs around $1,000 a month. This is for businesses that want to stand out. Instead of template style posts, they get custom designed graphics and they get AI videos. Think an AI clone or a mascot video of the business owner giving a tip or a before and after time lapse. It's the same idea, just dialed up for clients who want premium. Both of these are recurring. You build the system one time, then you get paid every single month. Now let me show you the lazy part, how AI actually makes the posts. Chapter 2, creating social media posts. This is the part that used to take a whole team of copywriters and designers. But now with High Level's new Ask AI feature, it just takes me a few prompts. If you want to follow along, then click the first link in the description below. Now, for this demo, I'll use a dental clinic. Let's call them Atlanta Dental Hub. First, let me show you how to make the posts. In High Level, look at the menu on the left. Click Ask AI. Then I give it one prompt that handles the captions and the designs all at once. Here's the exact prompt I typed. Act as an elite graphic designer and create a premium 5-slide Instagram carousel for a dental clinic titled 5 Mistakes People Make When Brushing Their Teeth. Use a modern luxury dental theme with clean white space, dental blue gradients. You can pause the video here if you want to read the entire prompt. Now look at what it made. A full 5-slide carousel called 5 Mistakes People Make When Brushing Their Teeth. Clean dental blue design, soft glass morphism, real smile photos, minimal text. And the last slide tells people to book a checkup. It even handed me a whole posting plan, the best times to post, caption hooks, and hashtags, all from that one prompt. And that's a premium looking post made in a couple minutes. No designer, no Photoshop, no stock photo hunting. Now here's the lazy power move. The first designs are already good, but you can make them even better with one quick line. I typed, review these images and enhance the design. And it goes back through every slide and levels them up. Cleaner layouts, better contrast, more polish on every single image. You're not opening a design tool. You're not nudging pixels around. You're just telling it to make them nicer, and it does it for you. Next, you schedule it and you don't even leave the chat. I told it to pick the best time and schedule these posts on Instagram. It checks the connected account. It figures out the best days and times for that audience. Then it lines everything up, the whole month, scheduled from one chat. And here's the part clients love. Before anything goes live, it goes to them to review and approve. So you can pop into the social planner and see it sitting there ready. There's the post in the planner. You can preview the whole carousel, the luxury dental clinic graphics, the smile photos, and the book your visit slide at the end. The client approves it and it publishes on its own. That right there is the entire deliverable. And AI did almost all of it. Now let me show you the systems that turn those posts into actual money. Chapter 3, systems to set up once. Here's where most people mess up. They just post and they hope it gets customers. But posts alone don't pay. You need to turn that attention into leads. So we set up 2 systems one time, then they run forever. The first one is a lead magnet, which is something the business offers for free that makes people raise their hand. For a dentist, that may be something like a free consultation or a free voucher. And we build it in AI Studio. On the left menu, click AI Studio, open the project. Then I type one line, set up a lead magnet for this website, and it builds the whole thing. A clean claim your free consultation offer right on the dental website. It captures their name, their email, their phone, and what they need. So now your posts don't just get likes, they collect real leads you can follow up with. The second system is a comment to DM automation. When someone comments on a post, the system messages them automatically. You build it in one shot. On the left menu, click automation, then workflows, then click the build using the AI button in the top right. A box pops up that says, what do you want to automate? And here's the exact prompt I typed. Create an Instagram comment to DM automation for a dental clinic. When someone comments on a post using keywords like smile, checkup, cleaning, or info, automatically reply to the comment and send them a DM. In the DM, ask what dental service they're interested in, like cleaning, whitening, braces, implants, or a checkup. You can pause the video here if you want to read the entire prompt. Once you press generate, it builds the workflow for you. So when someone comments a word like smile or checkup, it replies to them and slides into their DMs. It asks what service they want. It gives them the info, then it sends the booking link. You didn't build a single step by hand. Now you make that even smarter with conversational AI. You add an AI chat right onto the website. On the left menu, click sites, then chat widget, then create a new one and turn on the AI agent. Now the website talks to visitors for you, day or night. It answers their questions and books them in, even at 2 in the morning when the owner's asleep. You set this up once and it works for that client forever. By the way, High Level is the platform doing all of this. The Ask AI, the AI Studio, the automations, the chat widget, it's what we use to run our entire agency and all of our clients. If you want to try it for yourself, use my link in the description below. And when you sign up with my link, you also get my full AI business blueprint course for free. Quick heads up, I may get a small commission if you stay on after the trial, but I only show you tools I actually use every single day. All right, let's talk about getting results. Chapter 4, how I get results. Now, posting is the easy part. Getting real results is what keeps clients paying. So let me give you the simple framework I use. It comes down to 3 things: consistency, volume, and quality. You have to post often, and it has to be good. Most businesses can't do all 3, but now you can because AI is doing the work. And here's the key thing to understand. Every social media platform wants one thing. They want people to spend more time on their app. So the algorithm rewards 3 things: time spent on your posts, shares, and saves, and engagement, like comments and likes. If your content earns those, the platform shows it to more people for free. And there's really 2 types of content that earn it: value and entertainment. Value is education, tips, how-tos, quick facts. That's why a carousel like 5 mistakes people make when brushing their teeth works so well. People save it. And then there's entertainment. It's stuff that's funny, emotional, or just interesting. You mix those 2 and you win. Then you run the simple funnel. You post a lot of content. You watch for the posts that pop. You take your best ones and put a little ad money behind them to reach even more people. And every post pushes people into a DM, a lead magnet, or a booking. Let me show you what that looks like with real numbers. You can see the reach climbing on a page that used to be dead. And right inside Instagram's own dashboard, you can take your top posts from the last 28 days and boost it in a couple clicks. That's how you turn a quiet little page into a steady flow of leads. Now, you've got the service and you know how to get results. So let me show you how to actually get clients. Chapter 5, the best 2 ways to get clients. There are 2 ways I get clients fast, and then 1 way that's even better long term. Let me give you all 3. The first way is cold calling. This is the fastest. You can hit over 100 businesses in a single day. Pull up Google Maps. Search for a niche in your city, like dentists or med spas. Find the ones with dead or ugly social media. Then call them and offer to fix it. It's a numbers game and the numbers move fast. The second way is cold visiting. You literally walk in. For local businesses, this is powerful because nobody else is showing up in person. You shake their hand, show them their sad-looking Instagram, and show them what you do instead. It's harder to say no to a real face. But here's the best long-term play. You build a system that brings clients to you, and the lazy way to do that is to become your own case study. Build your own website with AI Studio. You just describe your agency, and it builds the whole site for you. Here's a prompt you can use. Act as a conversion-focused web designer. Build a high-converting website for my social media marketing agency designed to bring in leads and booked calls. Give it a hero section, my services, my results, an about section, and a clear book a call button. And if you want to change the whole look, you just say it, like change the website's color theme to a navy trust palette. Then you run everything I just showed you on your own page. You post your own AI content, you set up your own lead magnet and your own comment to DM system. So when a business owner finds you, your page is already popping and your site is already converting. You don't have to convince them you're good. You just point at your own results. You become the proof. That's the whole thing. The money in AI right now isn't in building the most complicated thing you can think of. It's in doing something simple that businesses actually need and letting AI do the heavy lifting. Do that, and you've got a real business that pays you every month. Now, coming up next, I've got a brand new Go High Level tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.